This is a 500 bars, 23 L per minute high-pressure water jet cleaning machine. It utilizes an imported Italian Udor high-pressure pump, an 80 mesh water filter, a 22 kilowatts horizontal 4-stage motor, and a matching electronic control box for start and stop control of the machine. The coupling utilizes a nylon pin-type flexible connection. The top of the machine is equipped with an 80-liter stainless steel water tank. The machine is equipped with movable universal wheels and a brake. The machine can be configured with various nozzles for multiple cleaning applications. The fan nozzle is suitable for concrete roughening and surface cleaning. The cylindrical nozzle is suitable for concrete chiseling and various hard cover cleaning. The single-hole rotating nozzle improves cleaning performance by 30%, effectively removing minor rust stains and loose paint. The water sandblasting nozzle is suitable for paint and rust removal on ship hulls and metal surfaces, with a rust removal rate of 20 square meters per hour. If you want to know more info about the machine, feel free to contact us.